Hello and thank you for joining us. We begin tonight with another alarming jump in measles cases in this province. 36 new cases have been reported in the last 24 hours, almost two-thirds of them in the South Zone. Our Terry Fikowski traveled to Taber, a small town in the midst of a growing outbreak, to learn more about the persistent hotspot.
It's the Alberta town well known for its corn, but lately the quiet community of nearly 10,000 has become known as a hotbed for measles.
It sheds a negative light on our area.
Alberta's making too big of a deal about it. I feel like it's another flu-like symptom. We've had it, and it is manageable.
There are signs of the outbreak, like this one, trying to stop the highly contagious disease from entering the local emergency department. The South Health Zone accounts for nearly 60% of the province's total cases, and a blanket measles warning covers the whole region.
And our kids were all vaccinated, we're vaccinated, we're of that generation.
It's sad. It's to see all these kids that are sick.
Taber has some of the lowest measles vaccination rates in Alberta, with just shy of 29% of children under 2 having the recommended 2 doses of vaccine in 2024. Allowing the disease to run rampant.
People have got rashes or difficulty breathing and stuff, and they're asking these questions, how to handle and treat these things, and we just try to guide them as best we can.
Many people believe the low uptick is due to a mix of religious beliefs and anti-vaccine views.
My grandkids had measles, and they weren't that sick. They were sick, but not that sick.
And I had 4 days fever, but I didn't have a spot. Nothing to be scared of.
But Morgan Birch from Fort Saskatchewan strongly disagrees.
She was so swollen. Her eyes were like swollen shut.
Her 4-month-old baby, Kimmy, was hospitalized in the spring after catching measles, too young to be immunized.
It was scary because you don't know what's going to happen.
But ICU doctors treating more serious cases see firsthand just how dangerous measles can be.
That can be brain inflammation, but even with the breathing issues, requiring more breathing support, needing ICU care for that. So having a breathing tube to help you breathe are some of the things that we're encountering.
But Cameron Hazel hopes those outcomes can be avoided with more education.
It's been a little eye-opening. You know, you made a choice when your children are young not to vaccinate them. And I spoke with one person who said that was probably the worst choice they ever made, but that's just one.
Terry joins us now. Terry, the number of measles cases in our province has surpassed the total number of cases across the entire United States.
Tara, Alberta recorded 1,376 cases today. That's compared to the latest numbers out of the states yesterday at 1,309. We asked the provincial government about it. It says comparison to the states are misleading because most cases are concentrated in one state, Texas. But for context, the population of Texas is over 31 million people. Alberta's population is around 4.2 million, so per capita, we are much higher. Experts say for us to have more cases than Texas reflects just how big of an issue we're facing. Tara?
Okay, Terry, thank you.